Today I'm going to be installing a splitter on my 2014 Mustang. I've got the car up on ramps to make it a little bit easier to get under the front lip. And I'm about to start taking all of these bolts off so I can get the stock splitter off and get the splash guard off also. So I'm going to be using a socket and ratchet, and I'm just going to be taking all of these bolts off on the underside all the way around, and also some pop clips. So I got my splash guard off. So now there are a few more bolts on the underside of the splitter that I've got to get out, and a few pop clips, and then this factory splitter is coming off. So I got the factory splitter out. There were some clips that gave me a lot of troubles, but as you can see, there are screws, well, bolts all along here, along with pop clips. So it was in there, and you had to use a lot of bolts to get those out, and these clips gave me trouble. So since there's so many bolts, I said screw it and just clipped them off because I was finagling with it was so long and I could not get it. But now I'm going to line up my new splitter with this one to get the holes, because I got to drill my new splitter. So I'm going to mark up the holes on that. This is the new one, just mocked up right now. I'm about to line it up on the holes to see if I need to drill anything or add any other holes. So let's get to it. So I just completed it. I did all of the work off camera because that was a very tedious job. I had to drill the holes in the splitter, and I went to go put on the splash guard and could not get it to fit. The splitter kept falling down, so as of right now I'm gonna run no splash guard for the time being. Maybe I can try to trim it a certain type of way to make it fit, but I love it. I think it looks amazing. It's on there, it's very sturdy, so I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching.